Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. And then what? Yeah. Oh, just a sec. Hi. I'm Nancy, Sheri's assistant, and like I make sure that her schedule is set and she does stuff on time and whatever. And yeah, I have to call you back. Okay, bye. Anyway, I'm doing troll time today, so I hope that's okay with everybody. Yeah, okay, so today's troll time comes from Monique, and Monique says, "Why is your nail polish always so messy? Don't you know nail salons exist? Go get a manicure or some nice long acrylics." Okay, that's actually kind of a funny one. Okay, Monique, so just so you know, like, I actually helped to do Sheri's nails, so thank you for the insult. Also, not everybody can afford to go to the nail salon. Like, do you know how much that stuff costs? And Sheri doesn't have a lot of money. I mean, come on, give her a break. She's giving you loads of free tutorials and content, and you're complaining about fingernail polish? Come on. Also, what does it say? Nice long acrylics? Gross. I always wonder, how do people wipe their behinds when they have those super long acrylic nails? Like, how gross must that be? And then after, do you like pour really hot water and really give them a scrub after? Because there's no way that stuff doesn't get trapped under the, oh, it's just disgusting. It's just disgusting. But I think you should concentrate less on what someone's fingernails look like and maybe more on your own self, and realize not everybody's like you, not everybody has the same style as you, all of that kind of stuff. And just as a little extra thing, Sheri's been doing like this little Sunday special spa kind of day with her daughter for a long time. And it's like a special thing that her and her daughter do, and they do, it's kind of evolved over the years. And when she was little, she would do Sheri's makeup, and it was so cute and everything. And then they started getting into nail polish, and it's just like a nice thing that they can do together. So let's not criticize anyone until we know kind of the stories behind things. And I don't know, I'm just really not sure why you would ever feel the need to comment something like that. Like, were you so zoomed into her fingernails that, you could see there was maybe some little blotchy bits or something? And who cares, really, Get a life, please. Okay, I don't know what else to say. Just get a life, and think about, how you would feel if somebody left you a comment like that. It's getting tiresome saying this over and over, but, kind of treat people how you want to be treated. And I don't think that you would want someone to come up like, how many question marks and exclamation marks are in here? So again, this is a person who is screaming again. I don't understand. Anyway, so I guess that's it for this troll time. I hope you enjoyed it. I absolutely have to go and tease up my hair again because, it's getting kind of low. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time. Sheri and I, we will catch you on the zigzag. And yeah, I'm gonna go back to my call now. Oh yeah? Yeah? Oh yeah?
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.